And hello everyone, welcome to Invaders morning headquarters, reporting live here. And welcome back to our first broadcasting since in a while since we returned in July. But we are now back with a brand new show. You see there's little changes what we have made here. And today we are excited to bring you Invaders Morning Headquarters. Clearly it's 11 a.m. It's about to be afternoon once I upload this. But this is just a little morning news, and hopefully we can do this much earlier. Let's get to the latest news and weather information we have now. So for the weather information, we're just gonna make weather for now. We are tracking the remains of Fred here, and Tropical Storm Grace has warned. This is a new advisory right now, Advisory 5. Let's talk about the remains of Fred. These are going to change. So this is the 11 a.m. update. So this is what we are watching here. Today through Monday, heavy rainfall could lead to aerial, urban, and small stream flooding impacts and cause new and renewed river flooding across southern Florida, the Big Bend, and Panhandle. From Monday onward, the heavy rain and flood impacts could extend into other portions of the southeast into the southern and central Appalachians and Piedmont as Fred interacts with a front in the area. So we are currently watching the remains of Fred. This could be a tropical depression as it enters the Gulf of Mexico. And as it makes landfall, this path has dramatically changed. You can see Tropical Storm Fred is expected to make landfall over the coast of Florida here. The coast of Alabama. The coast of Alabama, excuse me. It will expect to make landfall on the coast of Alabama here, very close to the coast of the Florida Panhandle, as the path dramatically shifts really westward here, and will continue upward into central Alabama. So the impacts could be eastward here, so Florida Panhandle, eastward of Alabama, east to Georgia could include these impacts. As we're watching, maximum steam winds at 35 miles right now, moving east west northwest at 12 miles. So this is what we're currently watching. Flashpoint potentials here are currently decreasing as the system tracks westward, so this path is changing dramatically. Where the system has passed over Key West here, it is moving this direction here, again, as you can see. So we'll be continuing to monitor the latest news and weather updates as we have here at Invaders Weather and News headquarters. So we are currently watching the updates we are watching. We'll give you the latest potential updates here as it comes in. But yeah, the path is currently shifting west here. Now let's move down to Tropical Storm Grace here. New updates coming in. So it's the 11 a.m. update. 45-mile winds. Pressure is 105 millibars. It's moving west at 23 miles or 20 knots. So this thing is moving quick here. Tropical storm conditions are expected in portions of the Leeward Islands tonight and early Sunday, in the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico on Sunday. Tropical storm conditions are possible over eastern parts of the Dominican Republic by early Monday. So we are currently watching more updates on Tropical Storm Grace because we have two threats now. One is Fred, which is right over here, and one is Grace, which is coming towards Florida. We already have tropical storm warnings for Puerto Rico, parts of the Leeward Islands, and parts of the Dominican Republic under tropical storm watch. So we have another system coming, and this is going to be another big one. So here we go with another system coming, which I will give you more updates soon. So let's talk about the aircraft recons here. So we do have an aircraft recon here. Where there's one mission into Grace right now. There's one and one into Fred. The mission number 11 to Fred. There's two missions active right now, as you can see. Here we are tracking trucks from Grace here. There's no information. We have information on Fred here, which is what we are watching. So this is the hurricane tracking models leading up to here are expected to hit towards over Alabama here, the Alabama coast, and much of the impacts will be eastward, not westwards. The strongest part is the east of this, so people on the east side of the system could feel a lot of impacts as the system makes landfall. It's expected to regain tropical storm intensity soon. Tropical depression intensity, then tropical storm, then we'll go back down once it makes landfall. Let's talk about, so this is the remains of it here, as you can see. The remains of Fred as it quickly moves up westward. Now let's talk about Tropical Storm Grace here. As you can see, this is a little small system um, moving westward here. It's closing in towards the Leeward Islands as it's closing in. We're currently monitoring that one, this system here, as it could make impacts more than Fred. So we should closely monitor the system. So here we go with the global hurricane model track guidance here. As you can see, the track guidance is now showing, as of right now, showing it will head westward, northwestward, and could make potential efforts. So much of the model guidance here, it will be tracking thisward. So it's a good chance that all this could head into the Gulf of Mexico and probably turn eastward later on. But we are getting more information later on, so stay tuned to FS Rick News for the latest news and weather information. We are expecting that all the guidance model will stay at tropical storm level. There's still a chance for a Category 1 level, but we are still monitoring that, so please stay tuned for any updates as we have around the clock. So let's talk about the impacts here. So where is the system going? So right here on the GFS model, we are just gonna move this back a little here. So this is what we're gonna expect here. Over here is Fred, where you see my this little plus button right here. I'm moving this right in this area is Fred. As it moves, it could just bring some rain around the area. Then we got Tropical Storm Grace here, moving this way, and it could impact Florida. So let's just zoom to the southeast United States, where it could impact um parts of the Miami area, parts of Key West, parts of the Florida, South Florida area, like the Florida Keys and parts of Miami, could impact those areas. And this is really interesting. Now remember, we are still a few days out here. This is at August 19th at 2 p.m. Landfall is expected nearly around 8 p.m. August 19th. So this is still far out, so information could change. So please check back with FS Rick News if we have a new update, as this information could change. So be aware of that. This gets interesting as it moves. It could move westward along the Florida coast here. This is interesting. This is August 21st at 2 p.m. When it comes in, it just moves this direction, then moves eastward, making more impacts in Florida. At AM August 22nd, then quickly moves along the Georgia coast here, August 22nd, as a hurricane. So this could have little chance of being a Category 1 hurricane, back down to tropical storm along the Georgia coast, bringing widespread showers and rain here. So this is going to be a big system we are watching. It quickly moves up north here, and that's what we are watching now. So that is what we are monitoring with the system. So please be in mind that what we are watching, we are currently monitoring the system, and this system will continue to make impacts more north, move eastward. This bringing more moisture, and this thing will just become a remain. Then back down will be out of the United States soon. So we're going to quickly, the people should be monitoring the system as it progressive towards the United States, and how the changes are happening. So there's already flash flood watch right now ahead of these systems, and people should be on alert for any changes that could be happening. So that's basically all we need to talk about for this Invaders Morning News and Weather Headquarters. We'll have the news later on the afternoon, but this is just for the weather information. We're starting our program back on FS Rick News. Just need a little, we just have a little rough start, but hopefully it will get smoother from there. Thanks for watching FS News. I'm Mirage Invader for your 11 a.m. update. Probably by 12 p.m. when this gets uploaded. Hopefully it's still 11 a.m. But this just shows your 11 a.m. update for Invaders Morning News for your Invaders Morning Headquarters, August 14th, 2021. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you guys next video. Bye, everyone.